Welcome. Today is a viewer's request. The request is, hi, can you make a mask video of this template? So this comes from a video that I created before, this video right here, and the phone template that came with the video in the description. So here is how I actually created that phone. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need your photo. So let's go into my photos. I already used this before. This is a phone white screen display on hand clipping path inside. That's very long, but that's what the photo is. I'm going to take this. I am going to set it, my image as a background. Now, I am using a video one just because my pictures are way bigger in that and it helps me out. I think it's better that way. The bigger, the better. But I mean, you can use it in any other format you want to. But if you're going to use the video, when you go to down, and then you're going to download it. So first, you want to make sure that it's not video anymore. You want to turn it into a PNG. So then you can download it. And then when it downloads, you want to come over to this site here because I'm a free user. I don't have the background remover inside of Canva. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come up to here. I am going to drop it into my background remover. So what I want to do now that it is, I want to go press the edit button up here, erase and restore. So I want to restore. So I usually restore the whole picture. Let's restore the whole picture first because ultimately we want the whole picture, right? So we're going to restore that. And then after that restore, I'm going to go into erase. So what I want to do, because I'm getting inside of here, and then you can also make it bigger so you can kind of get in there more, but let's make it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. We're back to normal. But I want to take that brush size down. So what I want to do is I want it to just take the white. So let's go and like play around in this white part like so. And smushy, smushy, smushy. And let's see what it takes, how much of it takes out. This is usually pretty intuitive. So hopefully it'll do like I think it did. And it's doing terrible right now. So now the problem is I still need some of I want my outside back. So I'm going to go back to restore. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this green and I'm going to restore this outside right here. Like so. Go around here and get that little piece there. Make sure the little outside is in there. And boom. And let's see. And there you go. We've got it all. We've got the middle back out. So we go to download this, download the image. We're going to go back into our Canva. Usually what I do is do another one. Let's do a color in the back just to make sure when it comes through, it looks right. I'm going to go up into my uploads, or I can go up into my downloads. I can go here and pop it in. And as you can see, the middle is gone. Dun, 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 dun. And that is how you do that right there. If you have the free version, I don't know the pro, if you can do all that with the pro. You might have to do it a little more handworky than that. Like I said, the remove BG is very intuitive when it comes to that. So it's very much helpful for this kind of stuff, but that's how I did it, and hopefully that answers your question and helps you out. And if not, leave it in the comments and we'll revisit this or work on it together and get you what you need. So I love you guys. Thank you for stopping by, and feel free to ask questions. If I can help you out, I sure will. And until the next time, see ya.